Hey, so there goes 5 minutes. I think it's enough time for you to join. So, welcome to this Climate Hacks opening ceremony. I'm Alberto. I'm very glad to be here, being your host and being part of this weekend hackathon. So, first of all, congratulations for you. I see in the Discord chat and here on the comment section that this is the first time and this is the first hackathon for many of you. So if you are a pro or a veteran in hackathons, it's okay. But if you are a really new person in this world, let me give you a warm welcome, and I hope you have a very good weekend. So I'm going to start running the opening ceremony for today's climate hacks. I'm going to zoom. You can see here on my screen right now. If not, please let me know in the comments. Um, also, if anything on the stream goes wrong, my internet connection, my voice, etc., please let me know. So, my name is Alberto, as I mentioned before. I think this is not updating. Just give me a second to double check. Okay, I think it is okay now. So yeah, and my name is Alberto. I'm a coach here at Major League Hacking, but also I'm a mechatronic engineering student in Mexico, where I am from, and I work as a front-end developer in a startup called Bigo. So, plus being your coach, I can give you help with any mentoring issue about front-end or JavaScript at all. So go and send me a message there in Discord. Also, it's very important now that I'm mentioning Discord that you are on our server. If you are not on our server yet, uh, I'm going to share you the link because all hackathon it's going to be happening on that Discord server. So that's very important. I want you to remember that you're right now in a hackathon hosted by the Major League Hacking. We host hackathon every single weekend to ensure you always have a place and an event to attend. So, but that doesn't mean we are not very excited to have you right now. So, every single hackathon we host, it's very special. Um, I'm having a little confused right now because my presentation. I am supposed to be in a slide where it says, "We are very excited to have you," but here in my screen, I just see my face. Well, my I'm Alberto slide, so I don't know which one is wrong. Let me. I think it updated right now. Maybe it's something about the internet connection, but I'll keep going through the slides, right? Uh, yeah, each one of our hackathons or these first as know with first party hackathons has a thing which is the inspiration. You can build things, but that is not mandatory. I mean, you can build things around whatever you want. We just are proposing these things to encourage you to build amazing projects. Remember, these specific hackathon, the climate hacks, it's for the North American region. So if you're from the APAC region, we have another hackathon running right now. So the time zones will be more friendly to you. And that hackathon, it's the design and hack. Yeah, this is the banner. So this is happening right now. The opening ceremony was before, but you are still on time to join this design and hack if you're from the APAC region. If not, again, welcome. This is a hackathon for the North American region. Again, climate hacks. This is the theme. You are not supposed to build around this theme mandatory, but we encourage you to do that. Oh, it's a little bit windy here. Sorry about that. So, what are we going to build this weekend? Well, we have some sponsor activations for you, so you can build around technology or build around the theme. And let me share more with you about that. But I will do that in a couple of seconds, right? Right now, just remember the main topic here. It's to have fun and making friends. Um, so that's the main idea around this weekend hackathon, right? Um, else you need to be successful on this weekend? Well, um, you are going to have help not only from me, but from an amazing team of mentors. You can tag them with at mentor on our Discord, and you can tag our MLHers. In this case, it will be me, Reedby, and JFK, John. But barely, uh, well, you already know him as JFK, right? You can tag us with at active emulator. Yeah, with add active emulator. So we are going to be around all weekend, answering your questions, giving you help, etc. Right, but also running incredible activities like this opening ceremony. So if this is your first hackathon, we want to give you again a warm welcome. And you may be wondering, what is the Major League Hacking? Well, we are the global hacker community with over half a million hackers, just like you, uh, from all over the world. You can post here on the comments where are you from. I really love participating in these first party hackathons because we get people from really all over the world. So again, post here on the comments where are you from, and if it is your first hackathon. Uh, if you participate in our events from the Global Hack Week, for example, you can win community points. So each event at the end of the season, the ones who has more community points, we will earn some prizes. I talked you about the Global Hack Week. What is that? Well, it's a week we uh, gather and learn about new topics. We run mini games and fun activities, but also technical tracks, our technical sessions, and it is amazing. Join us um, for this global next global hack week on May 1st, and it's around video games. So it's a global hack week with theme around video games. Well, what exactly is ClimateHacks? If it's not already clear, it is 40 hours hackathon jam-packed with a lot of activities. What are those activities? Well, I will share with you that in a second, but it is also a time to learn, share, and make friends, as I mentioned before, right? Now, how can I know other hackers in this weekend? We have activities just for that. I really love hosting those activities because I get to get more in touch with you people, uh, not just for the technical things or questions or whatever, but being like cool persons, right? To hang out like if it was a in-person event in the cafeteria or in the around the campus, etc. Um, but also we have the mini games. I want to give you the list. I want to get to that slides in just a second. Uh, but these friendly events we are going to run. It's starting with the Wikipedia races later today. So join me for the Wikipedia races today at 9 p.m. AT time. Remember that. But here it's the time zones for all the rest of the world. But also we have the hackathon tricks and tips. That's tomorrow at 3:30 a.m. Remember again, ET time. The next activity we have it's the World Hunt minigame. That's only tomorrow, 10 a.m. ET time. Oh, I see this comment. Sorry if it is hard to see me. Um, I'm very sorry. I couldn't find another like another space in my campus, but I will try to speak louder so you can hear me. Oh, the wind noise. Yeah, I get that. Oh, sorry. Well, we are in the middle of this. If you don't get something clearly, I can repeat it. Just let me know here in the comments. And thanks for the feedback. The next time I won't count on the wind making that noise. Thanks a lot. So yeah, if you didn't hear something, I can repeat it. Don't worry. Yeah, thanks. I can't see the comments. I mean, maybe that's a thing from Twitch. You can try to reload the page. So, how can I get in touch besides these mini events? Well, we have that activity I mentioned before. It's called the Hacker Hangout, and we are going to have that on a special uh, voice channel on our Discord. It's called Hacking Hangout, I think. But yeah, you will recognize it. It's the only voice channel we have. But also, all the other activities are going to happen in that. But what are the time zones for that? Well, tomorrow, Saturday, 12 p.m. ET time, and tomorrow, Saturday, 10 p.m. ET time. So don't miss that. I probably won't be running the 12, but I will be running the 10 p.m. ET time. So if you want to talk about, I don't know, I am a coffee lover. So if you want to talk about coffee or education, I've just got approved for being a campus expert. So if you want to talk about that and how you can become a campus expert in your campus in your region, I can give you a mentor about that. So yeah, join me. So speaking of, speaking of Discord, I told you at the beginning that it's very important that you need to be on Discord. So what's the link? Uh, this is the link. Join us at discord.mlh.io. Uh, I think we are experimenting some troubles with that, so I'm going to post here also another link. So it is discord.gg/mlh. Let me copy and paste it here. I tried it before, I don't have a problem, but if you do have a problem, try this other one. We have people from Carolina, and that's cool. So this is the other link. Again, if you cannot use the discord.mlh.io, go here, discord.gg/mlh. But it is very, very, very important for you to be in our Discord server. Remember, all the hackathon it's going to be happening there. So uh, once you are there, go to the channel section, select your role, log in, do all the process, and select Climate Hacks. Remember, it is important so you can see the specific section and channels for this hackathon. Because we also use our Discord for other activities, even for um, the fellowship program and just to hang out with the community. But there are a dedicated section for this hackathon that you will unlock once you select the role for these climate hacks. If you have an account already, it's okay. But if you don't, go here to hack.ac/climate hacks and register. It is important for us to know where you're from so we can send you swag. So check in, do all the process, and also update your address if you moved or do something about like that, because that's where we are going to send you the swag. If you don't want to receive the swag, that's okay. I didn't know a person who doesn't want swag before. So yeah, we were talking about the tools and everything we are going to use this weekend. The first tool is the most creative use of GitHub. Remember, you can win a GitHub bundle swag if you are the team who does the better use of, well, the most creative use of GitHub. So remember, in order to win this, you have to use GitHub. But also to submit your project, you can use whatever other repository or like Gitbucket, GitLab, or other platforms you want. But if you want to win these GitHub bundle swag, you need to use GitHub specifically. The next tool and the next category we have, it's the Twilio. If you use the most creative use of Twilio, you can win a Game Go console. Also, if you use this weekend code we have here, you can get $50 of credit today. That's an amazing deal. So even if you don't use Twilio for these specific projects, just keep that promotion code, right? The next we have is the domain.com activity. You can win a backpack branded from domain.com, and you just need to create .tech domain, and that's completely free. Just use this code right here, the Sunny23 code, and you will earn an entire year of a .tech domain for free. It is important for you to change the duration of this domain, because by default it will give you 2 years, and for those 2 years you will have to pay. But with this code, if you change it to 1 year, just 1 year, it will be completely free. So take a screenshot. If you cannot take a screenshot, it's okay. I can share it with you later. The next one, it's the best accessibility hack from Fidelity. You can wield a Fidelity branded wireless charger, and they are pretty cool. I see them before. They are like in a wooden case, and yeah, just good stuff from the Fidelity team. For winning that, you will have to do a hack focus on accessibility. I think that's a very noble category. I really like this prize. Well, this activity. Let's say that. The next one we have is the best use of Google Cloud. Uh, Same, you can win uh, a bag of swag and a backpack, sorry, or a backpack, but also you can win 25 credits. Uh, we just with this code, Climate23. Uh, just use the code. Doesn't matter if you're using Google Cloud or not for this weekend, but keep the code and you will get that's $25 of credits. A little recap of that, because I know it's a lot of information. You can just take a screenshot of this: bestdomain.com, best use of Google Cloud, most creative use of Twilio, most creative use of GitHub, and the best accessibility app. Those are the prices, the categories, and the uh, yeah, the prices you can get. But that's not all, because we also have our categories, and the hack or the project who gets the energy saver or the most reduces energy and the waste of energy can win this category. And we also have a category for the eco educator. So if you do a hack promoting the education of ecological themes, on the climate change, on those topics, you could win this category. And these are the prizes for that. For the energy saver hack, you can win a wooden chess set, and for the eco educator hack, you can win waste bags. But also, we have the first, second, and third overall. I know there's a lot of prizes, right? A lot of prizes. If you don't win during this weekend, little advice on that. Just for being here, you already are winners, and you are getting swag. In the worst case, but if you are lucky enough to get one of these the seasons, the blue mic, the stream webcam, the red dragon gaming mouse, the waist bags, the wooden chess sets, or the other prizes we seen before, well, congratulations on you. And I talk you about this season T. Well, we are wrapping up this 23 season T already. I know, it's kind of confusing, but yeah, we are wrapping out this 23 season, and these are the last Genie the Giraffe teas we have. So put a lot of effort if you don't have one already, and make your best hack to earn one of these. So what else is happening this weekend? I talked you about something before, which are the fellowships. I'm pretty sure many of you already know the fellowships, but if you don't, think it of as an internship, but with a cooler name. And that's not all. We also have, well, that's the difference. We don't want interns. We want fellows, people who wants to learn, improve, make a better portfolio. So, if you want to apply to be in a fellowship, go to this link hack.ac/MLH fellowship and start your application. So, if you have more questions about the fellowship, there's a dedicated section for that on our Discord. Go there and start hitting your questions. Anything else I need to be successful in this weekend? Well, yeah, you need to submit a demo. And that's a question I see a lot of in the Discord. How do I do that? Well, let me tell you how. But first, let me tell you why. If you submit your project, you are already a winner. I mean, you're here, so you're already a winner. But if you submit, you win an iDemo sticker, and you can share this, and you can put it like in your LinkedIn, and you can save it. You can collect them. You can paste it, etc., etc. But I want to be really honest with you. The first time I was in a hackathon, I was like, I'm going to do this amazing project in less than 2 days that will change the world, and that's a great mentality, right? But that's not realistic, and the problem is that you may be feeling not okay with your project at the end of the weekend. But that's a really bad thing, because you need to be proud of what you build. You need to be proud of the project you are working on. And if you put effort in that, no matter if it's not what you expected, you have just enough reasons to be proud of that. And we are also proud of that, and that's why we give you these iDemo stickers. So it doesn't matter if you don't feel that you accomplish all the goals you propose in this weekend. Go there and post your project, submit it, demo, and that's the main thing here. So show show off what you build regardless of your project. How can you do this? Well, you need to make a 2 video minutes showing us what you built, not just the sales lives, but a live demo, how you do it, the process, whatever you can say to us in 2 minutes. We are going to review those videos, and that's how we are going to judge these projects, right? So we also need proof that it's your project, so include a link to the public repo, and we can check the technical aspects of that. And finally, submit that to hack.ac/ClimateHacks dev post by 10 a.m. on Sunday. That's the deadline, right? I saw people asking in the Discord. So If you keep having questions about this, on how to submit, on where to submit, or etc., remember you can always tag us as at active MLHers, and we will be very, very glad to help you resolve any issues you have. And on a more serious note, and I really want to get serious here. For being here, you already accept a code of conduct. Here in the Major League Hacking, we take these spaces very seriously. And well, to TLDR, just be a good person. If you feel like you're being aggressed or you want to report something, uh, you have all the process you need to follow here. But also, we are here for that, so you can get in contact with us very quickly. So that's anything. That's everything on the serious note. Let's return the mood on a more happy opening ceremony. Let's keep in touch. Just follow us as at Major Leagues, Major MLH Hacks, and Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook, Major League Hacking, the full name, right? Um, yeah, if you want to tag us or follow post anything during this weekend, be sure to use this hashtag ClimateHacks, and we will be very glad with you, and we can repost and share and etc. Well, my advice for you is to team up and have fun. Really, really, that's very important. Specific the second part, have fun. You will decide whether team up with one, two, three, four, 5 persons. We recommend projects for around 4 to 5 persons. But yeah, team up and have fun. And remember, be proud of what you build and share it with the rest. Any questions? We can go right now to live question and answer. So please post here on the comments if you have any questions. I can help you resolve them. Um, for example, I have one here. Do we work in teams? The answer is we really encourage you to do that. That was my advice, right? Team up. But if you don't want, if you want to go solo, you're okay. I mean, we won't make you work in teams. We encourage you. We recommend you to work in teams, but it's up to you. Do we choose? Yeah, we have a channel just for that. If you go to our Discord server, you can see on the Climate Hacks section a channel called Team Building. You can go there, type like, "Hey, I'm Alberto. I'm a front-end developer. I can work with these and these and these and these other technologies, and I want to meet team up." I don't have an idea for a project, or I do have an idea for a project, and I need people, teammates who can work with, I don't know, Python, Flask, whatever technology you may be needing. Uh, so yeah, it's up to you. You choose. You choose. Let me stop sharing my screen. Yeah, in the 2-minute video, should we introduce the project, the stack, challenges, learning, etc., then go into the demo, or just do a demo? I, I recommend to do exactly what you said. Introduce the project, like give a speech of why you think that's a good project, give a explanation around how you build it, what you faced during the building, what were the issues, the technical stack, etc., but also the like demo for how it works and how it can be improved later. That are my advices. Great question. Working with some bit at GitHub repository. You just need the link. For example, if you go to GitHub, create your repository, and grab the link for your repo. And once you are doing the submission on DevPost. DevPost is the platform where you're going to submit. Just copy and paste it. If you're talking specifically about the most creative use of GitHub, once you are doing the submission, the DevPost platform it's going to ask you what are the tracks, what are the prices you are participating in. So you could pick the most creative use of GitHub category, so it will be easier for us to judge that. So I hope that answered your question. If not, be more specific here on the comments, and I can ask it. Sorry, answer it again. Uh, when do we found out the winner? Sunday. Yeah, I was going to say Saturday, but no, that was a lie. Sunday, it's the day. Around 10 p.m., some bishops are going to close. We need to judge, etc. So let's say Sunday midday. I have the exact date here somewhere. I can post it in the Discord. I can find it right now. Just give me a second. Uh, I'm looking for it. Give me a second. Okay, closing ceremony, which is where the um, winners are announced. It's going to be 12 12 p.m. ET time on Sunday. Yeah, 12 p.m. ET time on Sunday. That's where you are going to find out who are the winners from these climate hacks. What's the link again? Sorry, what link specifically? I know there's a lot of links, but if you're talking about the Discord link or well, if it's the Discord link, let me post it here. This is the link, discord.gg/mlh. If you're not talking about this link, if you're talking any other link, well, in Discord, there's a channel called Check In Climate Hacks where you can find the link for DevPost, the link for the registry, the link for the check-in, and all other links. Also, once this stream is over, you can reproduce it again here on the purple platform, Twitch, but also in Facebook and YouTube. Yeah. So yeah, you can play it again the video if you missed a specific part or a specific link. I don't mention right now, or if you don't find it here on the Discord. Um, where okay, yeah, same question. Uh, I don't see team section on Discord. Um, are you able to see the climate hacks section? It's climate hacks. We have both. Climate hacks read only. That's for me, so I can share you um, some announcements and things like that. And the climate hacks, it's the third channel on the climate hacks section. We have chat climate hacks, ask climate hacks, and team building. That's all the name, team building. Um, what were are the rules to the app we created? Oh, like that's a huge question. Some specifics about having to be a technology, having to be MVP or the scope. That's not. Well, there are no rules about that. Uh, the rules are really basic, to be honest. It has to be a project you create. I mean, you have to build it. You cannot take any project on GitHub and just copy and paste. It has to be from your authority, but no rules around. Yeah, for example, here, can we use libraries? Yeah, uh, you can use even APIs like Twilio API. You can use for example, we don't have that for this event, but we also work with Wix. So if you don't know Wix it's a low code slash no code platform. So you don't need to have a really full set of technical skills. You just need to come here, have fun, and put in practice what you learn. Um, so no rules around if you can use or not APIs, or if you can use or not libraries, you can use or not frameworks. It's really really free, very open to you. Um, you can use machine learning, you can use even hardware. I really love projects when they use hardware, like, hey, we create this app that that can connect through Alexa skills to my light bulb. I don't know. And so in the morning I set alarm clock, and the lights turn off turn on, and then I wake up. I don't know, something like that. So speaking about languages, again, no restrictions. So you can use JavaScript, you can use Python, you can use .NET, you can use C, you can use Dart, all the languages you want. Uh, yeah, no restrictions on that. Are the useful resources for participants to take advantage of? Maybe how to. Okay, I get the question. Um, yeah, I think. Oh, not as a document, but talking about tips and tricks, we have a session, if you remember, tomorrow about hackathon tips and tricks. Let me look for the hour. Um, yeah, hackathon's tip and tricks. It's a mini event we are going to have tomorrow. It's on Saturday, 3:30 a.m. ET time. So you can go and you can learn very useful things, but I don't think there will be technical. To be honest, there will be um, like more taking advantage of your time. Yeah, that those kind of taking trips. But if you're talking about technical, like how to deploy quickly or how to build an app, an app, sorry, in less than an hour or something like that. I don't think we have them. But if I find something during this weekend, I can share it with you very well in the Discord channel, and I will be as how to say it, as involved as I can with your project. Uh, so we have people excited. So people greeting each other. Okay, that's it. I think we are done with the questions here. If you have more questions, please feel to post them on Discord. I hope the person who didn't see the team section already found it. Um, but I'll be around. I'll be in the Discord answering your questions. Uh, Happy to help with anything I can. So that's it. Congratulations for you if it's your first hackathon. If it is your second, third, or whatever hackathon number it is for you, also congratulations and welcome back. I will see you around, and happy hacking.